How to fix iPhone screen not responding to touch. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure that your screen is clean. So wipe the display with a soft, lint-free microfiber cloth and then remove any dirt, moisture or oil from your screen and make sure that your hands are clean and dry. You can also try to remove the screen protector or case, as if you are using a thick screen protector or a tight fitting case, remove it and test the touch screen and see if that helps. If not, then you can simply try to force restart your iPhone, as a forced restart helps in fixing majority of major issues on your iPhone. So to do that, press and quickly release the volume up button, followed by press and quickly release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. And this will take your iPhone to a forced restart and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, then you can also simply try to connect your iPhone to a charger for at least 30 minutes, as a very low battery can sometimes cause temporary performance issues. Additionally, launch the settings application on your device and then tap on general and then on software update and make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version. If not, then go ahead and disconnect any kind of accessories. So unplug any charging cable or other accessories, and if the touchscreen works after disconnecting a charger, the cable or the charger may be faulty. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you might need to connect your iPhone with a computer or a Mac and then restore your iPhone. And if that does not help too, then it simply could be that your iPhone might have physical damage. So if your iPhone was dropped, bent, or exposed to water, the touchscreen may have a hardware fault that requires repair. So you will need to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store or an authorized service provider, and further, they will help you in fixing your issue. So this was about how you can fix iPhone screen not responding to touch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.